Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good day to everyone watching. I'm very happy to talk to you this morning and also to share you some of my trades that I'm planning to take today. I'm just waking up and I spotted this GU trade, GBP USD trade set up potentially if it's going to give it to us. It's still my scalp that I trade, and I want to show you live as I will be thinking of trading this method. So when I woke up in the morning, I saw the move down here. I saw the move down here, and when I saw the move down here, I thought it will continue to go, but it changed direction. Also, it started to move up here. As you can see here, we have only on 15-minute time frame, we have one up here, we have two down here, and we have three. So we already are printing higher highs here. So we're already having higher highs here. So what I'm just looking for is that I think the market will continue somehow to go up here. So I'm looking for some place here, yeah, where I will join this movement up, even though it's coming down now here. This is 15-minute time frame. So I'm going to 5-minute time frame to see where I could actually start to buy. So this is what I'm looking for. I haven't seen much. I'm looking for some pattern as usual that must form around this point where the price is now 1.3147, but I have not seen yet. So I will be looking, I'll be watching, and I'll be seeing what will happen. Of course, if for example, let's say this movement here, this very candle does not go below, if it doesn't go below as it is now, yeah, so as I have been talking about, so we have the 5-minute from the 15-minute. We saw the 15-minute earlier, and the 5-minute is here that I'm seeing. We see the 5-minute also like printing higher highs, and what I'm looking for as the price moves is that I'm looking to see if I can join this very uptrend, relatively uptrend, on 15-minute time frame. So I'm just looking for 5 minutes to give me some kind of pattern formation to just let me know that yes, we are coming back up. So I'm still looking. So as you can see, we see a huge down movement here. So we have not seen a potential candle formation or some kind of pattern that indicates that we will go up. I'm still looking, and I would like to take the trade if I see it. So what I'm looking for on this 5 minutes, as I've always told you guys, is that I'm looking for example, if I could find another green candle that will form here, for example, after this candle forms, then I need another green candle that will form here, and that will be somewhere here, and it will not go below the former red candle, so it will form a pivot. So it will form a pivot here. So if it could come, if this could actually form a pivot here, then I will try to look for where I will enter the trade to buy at the break of that green candle, at the high of that green candle. So once that happens, I go for 1-to-1 ratio, 1-to-1 reward ratio. That is what I look for. So I'm still looking, and we will see what happens. But when will my trade get invalidated? So basically, as it's coming down here, if you go back to 15 minutes, my trade will become invalidated once this move breaks the low of this candle here, as you can see. So once it start coming down, and we break the low of this candle, then it becomes invalidated. So what I'm going to do is just to wait for another trade setup entirely, looking on 15 minutes to see if higher highs or lower lows will continue to form or to print. That's what I'll be looking for. But for now, I will be looking for a trigger, so now we see a huge candle. This is 15 minutes, but let's go back to 5 minutes. So we have a huge 5 minute move of 5 minutes. It's just very rapid selling, and what we are looking for is this we see another candle, green candle here now. So this will be the first candle of the formation that I'm looking for. If this green candle can hold the next 5 minutes, then I will need another green candle or red candle, whatever forms, will form within the range here. That's to form within this range here. Then I will trade the break of these 3 candles. So this is how it works. But sorry guys, but I have to wait and see what happens. That means I still have about another 10 minutes to wait for the candle to form. So I will have to pause this video, and once the formation gets itself together and I'm able to do the trade or trigger, then I would come back live to show how my trade will go. Well guys, as you can see, the trade did not play out. The trade was invalidated. As I said earlier, that what will make the trades we are taking get invalidated, that if we start to flush down and break the lows of here, and now it just did. So as we can see also on 5 minutes, so I was planning and thinking that there would be some kind of trade around this level, but unfortunately we couldn't find it. So what I'm just going to do is to wait and see a fresh setup. I know when I see the fresh setup, I'm going to take it anyway. So that's how it is. We'll keep waiting and see what happens. So thank you for watching this. We couldn't take the trades, but at least you got where my trade will be invalidated, where I would not consider to take the trade again. Once we see this move on 15 minutes, we will say this point here is the beginning of the trend, new trend, and it goes up. So we don't want any market price or candle to go beyond or to go below the new trend. So now, as we see now, the trend has been invalidated. So now we're having some sort of new trend downwards, but it's not yet. So because we have not seen the lower lows printing, but only it made this particular trend to be invalid. So what I just need to do is to just wait and see how the market plays out. Nothing more, nothing else. So well, that's another nugget from this strategy, and I hope you've got something. And if you think you've got value from this video, please subscribe to my channel, put on the notification bell, and also you can like and share the video if you want to. So thank you very much, and I will see you in the next one.